This is OPPO Reno 8T, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So to start, open up the Play Store app on your device and download the Turbo VPN app. That's the name of the tool that we are going to use in order to connect our OPPO Reno to a VPN. In my opinion, this is the most convenient free VPN tool, or at least it is so among the ones that I know of. So wait for this app to get downloaded and installed. After that, launch it, tap at the agree and continue button, then wait for the application to load. And once you're ready to connect yourself to VPN, tap at the caret icon over here. Grant the app create a VPN connection permission to create a VPN connection permission. And as you can see by this little icon at the status bar, the VPN connection was successfully established. While at it, you can change the server, thus the country or even the city that you're currently connected to. So currently I'm at Netherlands, excuse me. And for example, let's say I'll reconnect myself to some Frankfurt am Main or whatever the city is pronounced. And as you will see now, the reconnection was a success. And now I'm connected to a completely other server and country. Once you're ready to disconnect, just tap at this cross icon over here, choose the disconnect option, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.